morning, sunshines. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Wednesday, May 15th. We got back from PCB, Florida yesterday. Our flight got delayed. It was like a whole mess, all of the things. But we finally made it home yesterday. And I was so disoriented. Like, I was like, you know when you get off a flight and you just, after a trip, you're like exhausted, you're trying to get back into life, you're trying to get back in the groove. That was yesterday, just like me scrambling to get my life together, because I feel like I lost a day because we were supposed to get back on Monday, but it was totally fine. I had a rehearsal yesterday. I was supposed to go to an event, but it was raining so hard, and so I opted out of going to the event. But there's an event tonight. I have a show tonight. I'm getting my hair done today. So many things. It's a very busy week, but I like busy weeks. I like being booked and busy, baby. I'm performing literally tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, and then I leave on Monday for Dallas. So I'm just trying not to lose my mind over here. But I got some much needed sleep last night. I slept so deep and so good. And Mark went to the gym at like 6 a.m. because he had to be at a job early. And I woke up at 7:30 and I was like, where am I? What's happening? What's going on? But it's all good. I slept very good. And now I'm here at the gym. I'm gonna do a nice little workout before I head to the salon to get my hair done. My hair's not too bad. Like, usually I wait 2-3 months, and it's only been, I think, like a month and a half. But I wanted to get a nice retouch before I go to the wedding next week for Danny's wedding. So I figured we would do that. So let's get in there. I need to like wake up still. I'm like exhausted. And drink some water. Okay, I got my hair done. Came out blondie blonde. Mark didn't even notice, huh, babe?
Looks good.
But no, she did an awesome job. And literally went home, cooked dinner, or cooked lunch, cooked breakfast, because I hadn't eaten. And now we're heading downtown to an event, and then the show. Are you excited, babe?
Yes.
You're so serious, babe. You're gonna miss this. You're gonna want this back. You're gonna wish these days hadn't gone by so fast. Oh my gosh, last night was so much fun. The show went awesome. It was super cool to go to the music business event for like the pop artists. And then we saw Gail, which is like the girl who sings A, B, C, D, E, F, U, and your mom and your sister and your dog. So we saw her perform, then we headed over to Tin Roof, did the show, super fun. My girly pops showed up. The band did amazing. Also, my hair, I'm obsessed with my girl's work. My girl Amber, she killed it. But yeah, chaotic, not a lot of vlogging. I feel like when I'm in show mode, I can't like do both. I can't like vlog and be ready for a show. So hopefully one day I get to the level where I can have like a videographer or something to like someone to do that part, because my brain can only focus on one thing at a time. But luckily there was a photographer there and she took some awesome photos that I posted on my Instagram. If you want to go see them, check them out because she killed it. And yeah, so today is Thursday, May 16th, and I'm gigging today on Broadway, tomorrow and Saturday. And that is a lot. That's more than I usually do, but it should be fun. It's gonna be good. I went to the gym this morning and got a really good leg day in. I feel like I hadn't done a good leg day in a while because I've been sick and traveling and then all the things, but I feel good. So we're just keeping it going. Also, I need to get back on my protein game. So I'm gonna use my Ninja Creami. I don't know if I think I did show you guys the Ninja Creami. I need to get back on my protein game. So I'm gonna actually make Ninja Creami. I haven't really had a chance to make anything. I made like one thing with coconut milk like before we left for Florida, but I haven't really played around with recipes. So I have like protein, matcha, lion's mane, a bunch of different things in here. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna see how it comes out and hopefully make like a nice little protein bowl. Okay, so this is after the first creamy. I can't film it over there because there's like no light over there, but okay, this is, okay, so this is after the first spin. And what people usually do is like, they do it once, then they add like a dash of almond milk or whatever you're using. I can't remember if I used almond or coconut, but we're gonna use a dash, just a little bit, because I feel like it's kind of weird. And then we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna spin it again. Okay, so we did another spin. I feel like I could do one more spin if I really wanted to come out like super creamy, but that looks really good to me. So we're gonna go with that. I also ordered these coconut bowls because, I don't know, I just want to create that like smoothie vibe. Ah, look how cute these are from Amazon. These are so cute, it's a little coconut. And they came with some straws and some wooden spoons, which is dope. So I'm excited. This is from the brand Jungle Culture and it's 100% natural coconut bowls. So that is super cool. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put it in my bowl and make like a cute little moment. And it's literally almond milk, protein powder, matcha, lion's mane. What else did I put in there? I think that was it. I can't remember, but it's basically what I would put in my waffle into a creamy bowl. This is a lot. Look at that. Added some coconut chips. Oh, we're gonna add oh, it's over for these hoes. That looks freaking amazing. That looks amazing. I'm obsessed. Dunzo. I wasn't sure about the creamy for a second. I was like, am I even gonna use this thing? I'm obsessed. Ah, it looks so good. I am off to go sing. This is the fit of the day. I honestly just threw on whatever because you know the days where you can't like think about what you want to wear, but I put on this little cute corset and a white skirt and some beige boots. Never fails. It's 80 degrees outside, but why am I freezing inside? I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the coconut bowl made me like really cold because I don't usually eat a lot of cold things and now I'm really freezing, but I'm sure I'll regret this later because it's about to be 80 degrees outside. It's Friday, had my gig yesterday. All day today I've just been like editing and like doing some work. I went to the gym this morning, got some groceries, cleaned. The house is a mess, so don't mind all of that that's happening. But I'm gonna start packing for Dallas because I'm going to Texas, and I'm going to Texas all next week, which is very exciting. But I'm going to Dallas first to see my family, and then I'm going to Danny's wedding, which is going to be in Green, Texas, which is about like an hour away from Austin. So I'm starting to kind of like get things together. I do have a gig today at 6. It's 4. So I gotta leave in like an hour. But I was just gonna try on a couple of dresses and ideas. I'm not gonna fully, I started like throwing some stuff in my suitcase because I did a bunch of laundry and I was like, I'm not gonna fold this and put this away when I could just put it in the suitcase because that's what I'm gonna take. But I'm gonna be gone for a full week, so definitely going to kind of have to plan some outfits. I think I'm gonna wear this dress for the wedding. I've worn it to another wedding before, and even as a bridesmaid, this is like the perfect color that Danny wanted for us to wear, so I'm gonna wear that. Oh my god, I need to practice this song. I'm also singing at the wedding, so that's fine. We're gonna have a great time doing that. But luckily I know the song, I just need to practice it a few more times. I should just start practicing it today, to be honest. So I'm gonna try this on just to make sure everything fits good. I had another dress option as well. I don't know where I put it. I don't know where I'm doing that. Okay, I got this dress like 2 years ago. Yeah, right before I moved to Nashville from Onyx Sunday. It is so cute. Only worn it a handful of times. I'm trying not to shop. I'm trying to rewear things that I already have. So I think this will be perfect for the rehearsal dinner because it's like chill. It's also like a farmer, like a country vibe, not a farmer vibe. It's also like a country vibe. So this will be perfect. Cute. I love this dress. All right, this is the fit to go sing. Let's go. Meeting an almond. Good morning. Or almost afternoon at this point because it's 11:30. Today is Saturday. I am beat up. I am torn apart. Oh my God, my body hurts. I just went to the gym and I just walked. I literally just walked. I was like, I don't have the physical capacity to do anything else. So I was eating some strawberries and some almonds. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Okay, so yesterday our gig went well. I mean, at first it was so awkward. There was just like so many old people, no offense. And they were not digging what we were doing. We were doing from like country to rock to pop to like just trying to get the crowd, you know, like what we're gauging the crowd. They were not having it. But then they cleared out and then a new wave of people came in and then the vibes were vibing. It's always so weird when you're like performing, especially like on Broadway. It's like you're trying to cater to everyone, but like sometimes that not even that works. And I just take every performance, like all of these gigs, as like kind of practice of like how to be on stage, how to perform, how to connect with the crowd. And especially because last night was my first time at a new venue called Redneck Riviera, and I had never even stepped foot in there. Like I had never even been inside. Just not my, I feel like honky tonks are not where I would choose to go out, you know what I mean? But a lot of people go because obviously it's Nashville, tourist, all the things. It ended up being really, really fun. I was exhausted afterwards and I'm exhausted now. And I just feel like warm, like hot, like just tired. So I'm taking it easy. I'm gonna pack today. I'm gonna continue packing today, really packing, because tomorrow I don't have any gigs and I don't leave till Monday, but I feel like if I just get it done today, I will feel so much better. I feel like prepared and I'm not scrambling. That's the key. With packing, like you wanna start packing a couple days before. You wanna start trying stuff on, getting outfit ideas, so if you need anything last minute, you can go out and get it or order it or whatever. Like that's what I found. Packing, I packed the morning of when we went to Florida and that was stressful. It took me literally up until we were about to leave to pack. I didn't even go to the gym that day because I was like, I need to figure this out. But I'm gonna pack today. Luckily, I'm going to my parents' house first, so like I'm not really concerned. Like if I need anything, you know, like toiletries or anything like that, or even clothes, I can get something out there in Dallas. And now I already have the bridesmaid's dress. I have what I'm wearing to the rehearsal dinner. And those are the most important outfits of the week. Everything else is like super chill. It's already really hot in Texas. It's like 90 degrees. So I'm definitely gonna be at the pool, hanging out, workout stuff. Basically all the other days I'm gonna take a workout stuff, maybe like a chill outfit and bikinis, because that's what I'm gonna be hanging out with. And then when we go back to back to Dallas, after we go to the wedding, we're gonna do a carne asada for Memorial Day. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a fun week in Texas. I need the sun. I love the sun. Thankfully, I mean, I just saw it in Florida. But it has been so gloomy here in Nashville, and it's just, I try not to let the weather affect me, but it does. You know what I mean? Like, obviously I'm still gonna like live my life and do what I need to do, but this gray overcast, like, it's not the vibe. It's not the vibe. And that's like a downfall of Nashville. Like it's so gray and it's May. Like where's the sun? Ideally, I'd love to live in a place where the sun is always shining, which is El Paso, which is where I'm from, Sun City. But I think I'm like, I need more sunlight. I'm gonna be complaining about how hot it is in a few months, so I'm just grateful that it's not cold. It's actually, the weather's nice, it's just the sun isn't shining. I'm wearing this super cute set from Tabby Active that I got last year. I don't think they have it on their site anymore, but they always come out with like new stuff. These are probably the longest shorts that I own because I'm not a long short girly. Okay, these are probably the longest shorts that I own. These are like true biker shorts because I'm not a long short girly, but these are cute. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. I'm gonna shower, get ready, and start packing.